Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm so excited to bring you guys this freestyle tutorial that I did. You guys can just tell this is the cutest kawaii glam inspired set. I'm literally obsessed, like literally. It's so freaking cute. So let's get right into it. I'm going in with number 19 by Nails Bling Supply, and I am going ahead and I'm going to do one coat of this, and then right on top of that, I'm going to do number 21 by Nails Bling Supply. So you guys know this, I always layer my nudes. This is the key to getting a perfect like color. You guys can just mix and match, do whatever color you guys want, and that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going ahead and doing that. And then I did make sure to buff and base coat the nails already, so don't forget that step. And right after that, we're going to get into the French tip. So now I'm going to be doing a French tip, and I'm going to be doing it on the thumb and pointer finger. This customer's pointer finger and ring finger are the exact same size. So I had started doing this French tip on the ring finger, but then I switched the nails over because I wanted it to be on the pointer finger instead. Thank God her nails are like the same size on those. If they weren't, I would just make it work and, you know, leave the French tip on the ring finger. But anyways, I just wanted to mention that so you guys are going to see it switched in a little bit. And this color is Temptation by Nail Reserve LA. This is Temptation. It's a really pretty pink, and I love this color. When it's matte, this color literally just pops. I honestly wanted to make it matte, but I'm honestly glad I didn't, because I had already made a matte set for this customer. It's the blue set that I just posted before, that one also came out so freaking cute. So yeah, we're just doing a French tip here really quickly, and I am using a regular 9mm brush, and it is just super thin, and it just helps you create the French tip so much better. Now I am going in with my Zulay's Bling adhesive, and I'm going ahead and I'm gonna freestyle this little design that I wanted to do. I have these little Hello Kitty heads. They're little small ones that I really wanted to use because the color matched like of the bow, and I wanted to do like this kind of swirling, just like cluster type of design, and I'm so glad I ended up going with my gut instinct because it turned out so freaking cute. So I'm just literally grabbing a whole bunch of different rhinestones. In my favorites video, I showed you guys that little green container. You guys can see it here on the top right corner. I told you guys that I just have a bunch of different rhinestones in there, and I just use them whenever I am doing freestyles. I kind of just grab different stones, and they're just kind of all in there. And that's what I'm using right now. I'm just grabbing a whole bunch of different sizes, A, B. I'm using some golden colors, and right here I'm using these really pretty little pink shells. I do actually show you guys the container later. Right here, I was just so in the zone, I didn't even think about showing you guys the container at first, but I do show it in a little bit. I realized that I didn't show it, but yeah, so we're just reapplying the glue. You guys know Zulay glue dries so freaking fast. It's literally drying on me as I literally am working, so I have to keep reapplying, and it doesn't help that my bottle is almost empty, but I'm trying to get every last bit of glue out before I throw the bottle away. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and I'm just grabbing different shells, different color stones, different sizes, and I'm just doing a little swirl design, so you guys will see what I mean by that. but I'm just gonna let you guys kind of watch. I'm not going in any particular order or anything like that. Next here, I'm going to be doing the middle finger, so I'm going ahead and doing some stones right here in the center. I have these really cute little hearts that I got from Shein. I posted them in a Shein haul a little while back, but these are actually little hearts that change. I think, like, I don't know if it's with the sun or with heat. I'm honestly not sure, but every time I put them in my UV lamp, they change color, and the color that these turn into right now, it looks like a clear light pinkish or like a nude, but it actually turns into the same exact color that's on the bow of the Hello Kitty. So it's kind of like a orangey pink, and it's like so cute because it looks cute like this without the color, but once the color shows up, it's also really cute. If you guys have these, let me know. Where do they work? Like, is it under the sun or is it in a UV lamp only, or like what? I don't really get it, but I did just get them from Shein, and they come in a whole bunch of different sizes, but I used this size right here, and I'm going in with the little pink shells again right here on the outside, and then I'm going in with a bunch of little rhinestones. I'm using little pink rhinestones that I got from AliExpress, and you guys know I only use glass rhinestones because I always wipe my stones off at the end with some acetone. So yeah, I only use the glass stones, and then I'm going ahead and just doing different sizes here, creating a really pretty bling placement. And oh my gosh, you guys, this design, this nail right here in particular, I think the middle finger is just what I really love. It just looks so detailed, so elegant, but then at the same time so glam and so pretty with like the Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh, love it. It's literally right up my alley. And then for every other nail, because it already has the French tip, and then because the other nails are so blinged out, I wanted to keep it a little more simple. So I just did these little 3 stones in the middle of the French, and I'm so glad I decided to do this because I feel like it really ties it together. It's not like too much. I could have left it plain, but I just didn't want to do that. I felt like it just didn't go. So I'm just going ahead and applying a few little stones here, really small ones, so that it doesn't look too overpowering. And honestly, it turned out so cute. And the little heart in the middle does look like more orange for some reason on camera, but in person it's the exact same color. Like, it's so pretty. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other hand, so I'll just let you guys watch this. And then here is what we're looking like. It is literally so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm literally obsessed. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is literally one of my favorite sets ever. Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how obsessed with it I am. I literally am gonna probably say so cute, so obsessed like a million times. But anyways, you guys know I always make sure to wipe off with a little bit of acetone, so that's what I'm doing here, just wiping them off. The Hello Kitty, I wasn't sure if I had a glaze over it or not, so I didn't want to wipe it too much because I don't know if the paint will come off, like of the little face and stuff. So I tried not to wipe that one so much, but I did wipe the stones all around it. And now I'm going in with my top coat. The top coat I'm using today is the igel Beauty one. It's just in this not polished bottle, but it's a igel Beauty like refill that I use. And then I'm going ahead and top coating all around, and I'm going around the stones. I'm trying not to go over them. And yeah, you guys, that's what we're doing right here. Next, we are going to be filing. I'm showing you guys right here that I already did the thumb. So I filed just going downwards like this. You guys can see it fits perfectly and it's going down. If I was to go backwards like this, I'm showing you guys, it would be round. So you see what I mean? I'm trying to explain to you guys more and more in detail how I file so that you guys can kind of understand. You guys can try it out for yourself. But yeah, it gave us that really bomb shape right there on the thumb. So that's what we're gonna do for every other nail. And yeah, you guys, we're just going to be filing. We're going to do all of them and I'll show you guys what it looks like at the end. But this set did take me exactly 1 hour and like, I think it was like 1 hour and 5 minutes or something. I did post another freestyle right before this. That's like a blue one. And that set actually also took me 1 hour. I think that one took me like 1 hour and 2 minutes. So it's just so freaking crazy, like how things happen, like how long you take to do a set. Um, I've had sets that take me literally like 4 hours. And you guys, I'm so sorry if you hear snoring. My dog is knocked out literally right next to my computer. She's like so sleeping so peacefully. But yeah, this set did take me around 1 hour and 5 minutes or something like that. And then I think I'm gonna start telling you guys like how long each set takes me, just because like I love filming them, because then at the end I could see how long I took to do it. And yeah, so we're just filing. I don't really know what else to say. I'm really excited for Valentine's Day nails because I know that they're going to be so pretty, hearts, glitter, everything that I love. So I'm really excited for that. And I actually ordered a whole bunch of little roses from Amazon because I want to do roses on like little nails. I want to put little roses on nails. Look at this, you guys. This is the shape. Looks so freaking bomb. I love it. Oh my gosh. The shape makes it, to be honest. And now we're just going to go and file the other hand. I'm just going to speed this part up for you guys because it's just the same thing that I did on the other hand. So I'm just grabbing my box and I'm going to be putting the nails away. This is some double-sided foam tape and some boxes that I got from Amazon. Or yeah, this box that I got from Amazon. I will make sure to link it for you guys. You could fit at least 6 to 8 sets in these boxes if you use like the bottom and then the top. And I did actually link it in my favorites video as well, but I'm just doing the double-sided foam tape. I actually end up needing a little other piece because the nails are a little bit too long and I didn't measure it correctly, but I'm just going ahead and putting them in. And right after I do this part is when I also wipe them again with lint-free wipes just before I take my nail videos for my Instagram. That's how I get my nails to look so glossy and the stones are so shiny and everything, because even after I put them in, the fingerprints from my hands might still be on it and I don't want it to like show on my videos, so I always make sure to wipe them. And this is just what the nails look like. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can literally already tell that this customer is going to get so many compliments. I can just imagine, like, I don't know, like, I can just, like, imagine how much people are going to say that they love them. I should honestly start putting more business cards into my order so that in case somebody asks, they can just give it to them. And it'll just be easier for, you know, my customers to pass them out if they want to. But anyways, this is what they're looking like. I'm cutting off another little piece and I'm putting it right here on the side. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put this set on there. And then once again, we are right here. We are finished with the order or with the set. And oh my gosh, so freaking cute. I literally can't say this enough times, but I'm so obsessed with this set. I really hope you guys love it as much as I do. If you do, please, please, please give this video a like. And if you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.